Unraveling pronouns. Dive into plural reflexive pronouns. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting topic: plural reflexive pronouns. These are a type of pronoun that we use quite frequently, sometimes without even realizing it. By the end of this video, you will know what they are, why they're used, and how to use them properly in sentences. Before we jump into plural reflexive pronouns, let's quickly review what reflexive pronouns are. Reflexive pronouns are words that end in self or selves. They are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same person or thing. For example, in the sentence, I taught myself how to swim, myself is a reflexive pronoun. It shows that the person who did the action, I, is also the one who received it. Now, let's dive into the main topic: plural reflexive pronouns. There are just 3 of them: ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. They are used to refer to more than one person. 1. Ourselves. We use ourselves when the action is done by we and received by us. For example, we prepared ourselves for the big game. 2. Yourselves. Yourselves is used when the action is done by you, plural, and received by you, plural. For example, you all must brace yourselves for the storm. 3. Themselves. Themselves is used when the action is done by they and received by them. For example, they pride themselves on their punctuality. Practice is the best way to master any new concept. Let's practice constructing sentences using each plural reflexive pronoun. 1. Ourselves. We found ourselves lost in the city. 2. Yourselves. You can treat yourselves to some ice cream. 3. Themselves. They taught themselves to code. Remember, we only use reflexive pronouns when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same. And there you have it. That's the end of our lesson on plural reflexive pronouns. Remember, these are just tools that can help you express yourself more clearly in English. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel to use them. Keep practicing, and you'll master these pronouns in no time. We hope this video was helpful and made your English learning journey a little bit easier. See you in our next video.